With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question that was given to us is that is let the incenter of the triangle ABC, that is 2, 5. If A is equals to, that is coordinate is given 1, 13 and B is given that is minus 4, 1, then the coordinates of C are, so we have to find the coordinates of C. So first of all, for this we have to draw the diagram. So this is our diagram. So let this side be that is the A vertex, that is 1, 13. This is 1, 13, and we know that this coordinate, that let this to be the C and let it be the B coordinate, that is given as minus 4, 1. And this is the incenter that is represented by I, and its coordinates are that is 2, 5. And we know that incenter are made by the that is angle bisectors of the triangle. So this means that this side and this side is that is this is A by 2. So this is also A by 2. So this is if this is B by 2 and this is also B by 2. Similarly, this side is also that is this is angle bisector, so this is C by 2. So this is also that is side is C by 2, and this is that is the center, and this is the R, that is radius. This is also the radius, and this is also the R, that is the radius. Now if we write that is the equation of line AB, so we can write it as that is equation of line AB, that is we can write that is y minus y1, so it will become that is y minus 1 is equals to that is x2 minus x1, that will be that is 13 minus 1 divided by that is y2 minus y1, which is 1 minus minus 4. So this will become that is 1 plus 4, that is 13 minus 1, then 1 minus minus 4, and that is equals to x plus x1. So this will be equals to is x minus x1, that is x minus minus 4, that will become x plus 4. So this value will become that is this is 5, so 5y minus 5 is equals to 12. This is multiplied, so this is 12x, and 12 multiplied by 4 is that is plus of 48. So our final equation that we get is that is 12x minus 5y plus 53 is equals to 0. This is the equation that we get. Now distance of that is this point, that is this is in center. So the distance of in center from this line AB, in center from this line AB, we can say that this distance is equal to R. So we can say that this is R is equals to, and the distance is the positive. You can take that is if we put 12 multiplied by 2, because our in center is that is 2, 5, so 12 multiplied by 2, that is 44. Sorry, this is 24. 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. And other values are that is 5. So 24 minus 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25 plus 53. And that is divided by under root of 12 square. That is under root of 12 square, which is 144, plus that is minus 5 square, which is plus of 25. So that is radius is equals to that is mod of this value will become that is this is minus 1 and plus that is 52 divided by under root 169. So this value is equals to that is 52 divided by 13. And if we divide it, so we get that is plus of 4. So the value of that is radius is equals to that is 4. We can say that unit that is, let it be the centimeter. So the radius is equal to that is 4 centimeter. Now that is if we take that is slope of this side, that is BC, if we take the slope of this side, that is BC, as that is M1, and the slope of this side, that is AC, let this will be the slope is M2. So now if we want that if we write its equation, that is y is equal to mx plus c, so we can write it that is y is equals to m1x plus c1. We can write in this way for the equation. This is for the that is BC. This is equation for the BC line. So now we know that the value is that is minus 4, 1. So if we put this value, that is y equal to 1 and m1 into minus 4 plus c1, we get this value. So from here we get that c1 is equals to that is 1 plus 4 m1. C1 is equals to that is 1 plus 4 m1. So now our new equation that we get is that is y is equals to m1x plus 4 m1 plus 1. This is our equation. Now we can say that the distance of the line BC the distance of the line BC from, that is, in center. So the distance of the line BC from in center is, so this value, that is from the 2, 5, it was also equals to r. So the value of r is equals to, that is 4. So if we put the value, that is 2, 5 here in this equation, we put the, that is 0.2, 5 here, we get, that is, this is 2m1 and this is minus 5 plus 4m1 plus 1 plus 4m1 plus 1 divided by, that is under root of m1 square plus 1, that is m1 square, and this will be equal, that is minus 1 square, which will become, that is plus 1, and this is the distance, so it will be positive, so that's why there is mod. So this will be equal, that is 4 equal to, this will become 6m1 minus 4 divided by under root 1 plus m1 square. So if we cancel it with 2, we get, that is, this is cancel it by 2, we get 2, and here we also cancel it by 2, we get, that is 3m1, and also by 2, that is, we get 2. So this value 2 multiplied by 1 plus m1 square under root is equals to, that is 3m1 minus 2. Now by whole squaring on both sides, we get this value, that is 4 multiplied by 1 plus m1 square is equals to 3m1 minus 2 whole square. So this will be equals, that is 4 plus 4 m1 square, and that is equals to 9m1 square plus 4 minus, that is 12 m1. So if we take out all these terms to this side, that is 9m1 square minus 4m1 square, this will be equal to, that is 5m1 square minus 12m1, and 4 and 4 cancel out, that is equals to 0. So if we take, that is m1 common, we get this value, that is m1 is common, and this will become, that is 5m1 minus 12 equal to 0. So from here we get two values, that is one is m1 equal to 0 and other is, that is m1 is equals to, that is 12 by 5. So we get, that is two values of m1. But from the equation AB we can see that the slope of this equation is also, that is 12 by 5. That is, this is also 13 minus 11, that is 12 by 5. So this means that the slope of the, that is line passing to that is B coordinate having, that is two values. So the slope of, that is this side BC is equals to 0. And the slope of this line, that is AB, is equal to, that is 12 by 5 that we have calculated previously. Now let us take the C coordinate as, that is h comma k, and we know that the slope of this equation, that is line BC, is m equal to 0. So now using slope point formula, so now the slope of this, that is this equation 0. So now by slope point formula we can say that this value, that is k minus 1 divided by h minus 4, which is h plus 4, is equals to 0. So we get this value, that is k minus 1 is equals to 0, and we can say that value of k is equals to 1. Value of k is equals to 1. Now from that is the options, we can say that, we can clearly say that, so the value of k equal to 1, that we, so to finding this, that is this h coordinate, we can say that we can get, that is value of a is, that is 1 comma 13. So now we can write this equation as, that is y2, that is y is equals to, we can write it as, that is m2x plus c2. Y is equals to, that is m2x plus c2, because we have taken slope, that is m2. Now that is a coordinate is, that is 13, 1 comma 13. A coordinate is, that is 1 comma 13. So we can put this value, that is y value is 13. So 13 is equal to m2 multiply 1 plus c2. So the value of, that is c2 is equals to 13 minus m2. This is the value. Now our required equation will become, if we put this value here, that is y is equals to m2x plus, that is c2, whose value is, that is 13 minus m2. Now if we find, that is the distance, so this is for the line, that is AC. Now if we find the distance, that is distance of in center from the line AC, that is, so this was also equals to r. So this distance is also equals to r. So we can say that using distance formula, that is value of r is 4. So 4 is equals to, that is modulus of, if we put the value, that is 2 comma 5, so we get, that is 2 m2 minus 5 plus 13 minus m2 divided by, that is under root of, this will become, that is m2 square minus 1 square, which is plus 1, and that is modulus. So this value, that is 4, is equals to This is 2m2 minus m2, that is m2 plus 8 divided by under root 1 plus m2 square. Now if we multiply this side, we get that is 4 multiplied by 1 plus m2 square is equals to m2 plus 8. Now by whole squaring on both value, that is this will be 16 multiplied by 1 plus m2 square, and that is equals to m2 plus 8 whole square. So this will be that is 16 plus 16 m2 square, and that is equals to m2 square plus 64 plus that is 16 m2. So we get this value, that is 15 m2 square minus 16 m2, and this will be equal, that is minus 48 is equals to 0. Now from here we get that we have to get that is two value of m2. So we have taken the coordinate, that is a. So the coordinate have two slope. One is that is given as 12 by 5 and other is m2. So this equation have two values, that is one is 12 by 5 and other that is m2. So we can calculate m2 by that is sum of roots. By using sum of roots we will find this value. So we can write it as that is 12 by 5, that is 12 by 5 plus m2, which we have to find out, is equals to that is minus b by a. So minus of minus b, that is 16 by 15. So we get m2 is equals to 16 by 15 minus 12 by 5, using that is this formula, that is the product of that is sum of roots, that is sum of roots is equals to that is minus b by a, using this formula. So we get that is, if we take LCM, m2 is equals to 16 minus this value will become that is minus 36 divided by 15. This value is equals to that is minus 20 by 15, which is equals to that is minus 4 by 3. So we get the that is slope of m2 is equals to that is minus 4 by 3. Now we can easily find the value of that is h coordinate, because slope of this side is that is minus 4 by 3. Now by that is slope point formula we use, that is this will become 13 minus 1, because value of k is 1. So we can say that this is 13 minus 1 divided by that is 1 minus h, that is equals to this value, that is minus 4 by 3. So if we that is cross multiply, we get that is 39 minus 3 is equals to minus 4 plus 4h, minus 4 plus 4. So now this will be that 39 minus 3, that is 36. 36 plus 4 is equals to that is 4h. So the value of that is h is equals to 40 by 4. H is equals to 40 by 4. So the value of h is equals to 10. So now we have find the coordinate of h, that is 10, and the coordinate k is that is we have find above, which is 1. So that is c coordinate, that is h comma k. So our c coordinate that is h comma k, that is equals to 10 comma 1, that equal to 10 comma 1. So this is our final answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.